Many people see Baby Doge as just another meme coin, but there's more to it than that. Baby Doge is a community-driven cryptocurrency inspired by Dogecoin, designed to be fast, accessible, and efficient. It operates on blockchain technology, allowing for low transaction fees and quick transfers, making it practical within the evolving digital economy. Beyond the technology, what truly sets Baby Doge apart is its community. It has grown into a global network of supporters who actively contribute to its development and visibility. It has also extended its impact beyond crypto by supporting animal shelters and dog rescue initiatives, adding a meaningful purpose to what started as a meme inspired project.